Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. So today we are going for our little run, but I've also got to go to the supermarket, so I'm going around this way, the long way around to Sainsbury's. This is a bit of a detour and all that. Oh, here's some ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Right. People out on a run. Right, there you go. You try and get as much less close to them as possible and all that. That way you got to keep 2 meters away, guys and girls. 2 meters. There's loads of people, quite a few people out today. I'll tell you, for the 10th of April. Either for their exercise or walking wise and all that. I thought there's supposed to be some social distancing and all that. Right, there you go. Right, there you go. That's good. Not too close, but also I'm using my GoPro today, so we're going to do some GoPro cycling.